there is, of course, a lot of speculation, as I'm sure some of you probably know, about the bond bubble bursting at some point. If we go on a weekly charts, I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so as you can see here, the bond bubble, as we call it, as being this absolutely amazing trend in the bond market, which has been going on for several years now. And there's speculations, of course, and quite justifiable speculations, I believe, that the bond bubble will eventually burst. Perhaps, who knows, maybe this year. Now, I'm not going to speculate at this point whether we've reached a bond bubble burst or not, and when it's going to happen. All I can say is that a bond bubble will at some point burst, perhaps sooner than we think. And when it does burst, that will be the trade of the decade. Okay, that's a trade you really want to get into. And so what I'm looking for at this point, I'm not going to speculate this is the bond bubble coming to an end at this point. Certainly not. But I do think there is a good trade setup here to short it. Okay, as you can see, we had some tremendous selling pressure coming in from Friday and today as well. So here's what I'm looking at on the bond market here. So as you can see here, first of all, we've broken through this uptrend line, as you can see here. All right. Then, as you can see, we've also closed twice below that 21 period moving average there. Okay, it's one close, two closes below that, which is a good confirmation that this trend potentially has come to an end. And we've got two consecutive red LT trend bars. Okay, so we've got blue bars here, blue LT trend here, and then suddenly turned red here, as you can see. So what I'm looking for is a potential move, a potential snapback rally back to that 21 period moving average here. Okay, so some kind of a rally back to that 21 period moving average, or even that 8 period moving average as a good area to get short. Or what also you can do here, let me just show you. Another thing you can do is get your Fibonacci tool, all right, and just draw from the beginning of the sell-off on Friday and then all the way down to the down over here. Okay, so the bottom of this move, and you can see we've got, okay, here's one potential area you can get short at the 38.2 retracement, which is 147.18 and 32 seconds, or even better, we can get a rally back to 147.29 and 32 seconds, which is the 50% retracement. Okay, and by the way, if you're doing this on the ETX charts, the values will be slightly different. So let me show you what you need to do over there. Okay, so you need to go over here. And by the way, the one you want to pick on ETX Capital is this one. What you want to do is go on the left-hand side, you click Bond Market, and then choose All Markets, and then just go down to this one here, US T-Bond, the June futures. You can also try the 10 years, but I quite like the 30 years. Okay, so that's the one you want to pick. And on the chart, you can just put a 21 period moving average as the blue line you see right there, and look for a move to 147.38 or 147.5. All right,